Welcome back to the Felix Smart Studio. Today, we're going to be going over how to use timers in the Felix Smart application. Now, timers let you set a simple schedule of automation for a device. It will turn on at a start time and turn off at an end time. Let's get into it. To set up a timer, head into your device settings of the device that you wish to automate. So I will head into my main lights here, and you can scroll over to your timer's header and click the green plus icon in the top right corner. Now give your timer a name, something that makes sense to you. I'll say light timer. I will pick a start time. I want my lights to come on at 8:30, and I want my lights to go off at 8:30 p.m. So I will set that up, 2030. And then I could also go as far as setting the days of the week that I want my timer to be active, but I want it to be active every single day. So now I can just click save in the top right corner and then save again in the top right corner with my active toggles clicked on. Keep in mind that you can have multiple timers for the same device, but you want to make sure that none of them overlap and are active at the same time. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on using timers, and I'll see you very soon.